Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So we're going to do the giveaway for this 2016 Australian Paralympic Team $2 coloured coin, and so just bear with me for a moment. Alright, so I've got the website all ready to go and pick a random winner, so we'll hit start and see who wins. Jeffrey Dobson. I have not got one, as inquired at my local Woolies, and they were sold out. Great channel, PJ. Congratulations, Jeffrey Dobson. You are the winner of this particular coin, and I look forward to sending it your way. There'll be a link in the description to my email address. Make sure you send me an email within the next 3 days, and we'll get this particular coin sent off to you. If you don't contact me, we will do a redraw. Alright guys, so this particular video, we're actually going to do some $1 coin roll hunting. So I'm just going to pause the video for now, we'll get set up, and we'll start the hunt. So it's been a while since we've done a coin roll hunt, so I figured we would have a go at seeing how we go here. I'm not feeling too confident, I must admit, because it has been a while since I don't really find too many awesome $1 coin finds. I thought that was completely upside down for a moment then when I looked at that first time. Let's just have a little look here to see if this is just, yep, it's just post-mint damage, so nothing special on that one. But yeah, I'm not finding heaps in the dollar coins lately. I've really been focusing on 50-cent coins. I seem to get a good hit rate at the moment. So, but I thought we'd give the dollars a coin. You never know what you're going to find, and there's lots to be found if you know what you're looking for. So we will continue on. But this video was really about trying to find a winner for that particular coin, and well done, and make sure you contact me. So we'll keep going through here. We might be pausing a bit in this particular video because I don't want it to go too long. Nice and shiny 2014. So the Facebook page is going really well. Loving all your questions, and certainly appreciate those who are able to also chip in and help, because I really do struggle to keep up with all the questions. So thanks to all those who are able to give a little bit of their own personal experience to help out those who are just beginning. I really do appreciate that, so thank you. So I'm going to try and do more giveaways more often. So I know I've got a video coming up soon, which is going to be the 13th Look What I Found video. And there's a couple of coins that I've found. Well, I think there's at least one coin that I've found a multiple of, and so I'd like to do a giveaway on that particular coin as well. So make sure you'll be watching that one. Now, you may have also noticed that my channel has started having ads coming up on it. Part of getting to 1,000 subscribers with YouTube, and we've also been able to there's a couple of criteria, but one is getting to 1,000 subscribers, and we have well and truly shot past that, and the channel is growing really well. But the other part was getting enough viewing hours in the previous 12 months, which you guys have well and truly helped to get that right across the line by a long shot, so thanks for your help there. So basically, yes, having ads on the channel means that this channel begins to make revenue. So it's something I want to try and put back into the channel in some ways, and try and offer more giveaways. It helps to pay for postage and those kind of things. So if you have the time to watch the ads, please do so, because it'll just mean that I'll be able to help out a little bit more. This is a hobby for me. I enjoy it, but I also enjoy sharing what I've learnt along the way. So yeah, if you see the ads popping up, I hope you don't mind them, but hopefully it just means that I can afford to give away more stuff, and we'll have a few more exciting things coming up soon, which I can't talk about yet, but at some stage I'd love to, but certainly it'll be stuff that we'll be able to give away more stuff. So once that all gets finalized, you'll certainly know about it. Well, we're not finding anything as yet, but it's given me a good opportunity just to share a little bit about what's happening with the channel. Yeah, finding a couple of year 2000 coins, but no mules. Ultimately, I'd love to find a mule on camera. That would be awesome. And if you're not familiar with a mule, it's a year 2000 $1 coin that the obverse, so the Queen's side. So this is the obverse, this is the reverse. The obverse is see another year 2000. So let's have a look at it here. The year 2000 coin was pressed, or die at the same time was pressed with the 10-cent Queen's head. So we end up with a rim around it. So it's technically half. So it's a mule. So it's not a donkey, it's not a horse, it's a mule. You know what I mean? So that's how that sort of name comes about. So it's like a crossbreed. Well, we are finding nothing, and I sort of predicted this. Let's do another roll, and I might pause for a little bit, clean up, and I might go through a couple rolls, because I've got plenty of rolls in front of me, and hopefully we can show you some stuff that I am keeping. So I loved hearing all your comments, or reading all your comments in relation to the Olympic or Paralympic coin. I honestly wish I could give each and every one of you one. I really do. I don't have enough to do that. Yeah, there's certainly a number of you I wished I could send one to, but in all fairness, I need to keep it all fair in the way that these giveaways are run. So that's why I chose to use the random comment picker and do it on screen, so that you can see that I'm not trying to do anything dodgy just by picking my favorite comment or anything like that. So alright guys, I am going to do these last couple of coins, and I am going to have a little hunt by myself, and I'll be back very shortly. Alright guys, finally found something worth, been through about another 6 or 7 rolls. So this is a 2015 missing leg, if you're unfamiliar with it. So the missing leg is not there, it's underneath this row here. Compare on the other, or really any other Mobaroos coin, and you'll see a faint lines of a leg, but not this one. Alright guys, going to continue, and I'll be back shortly. Just got myself a coin here from 2019. So yeah, the 35 year of the anniversary of the dollar coin. So there's another keeper for now. I've done a couple more rolls, and here's a nice big rabbit ear at the top here. There, nice big rabbit ear on that kangaroo, and it's a 2010. So not the greatest of nick, but still worth hanging on to. Alright guys, just going to continue. Alright guys, I did find one more of the 2019 A coins. So I figure we'll do 2 more rolls. Let's just open them both up at the same time. So we'll do these 2 rolls and then we will finish up. I'll show you something here now. On the well, there's a couple of things to show on this particular coin. On the 1985s, you'll always see these dark rings that go around the outside of the coin, just on the inside of the rim there. Now, the funny thing is, let's talk about this first. This black rim, it's always been a strange thing for me to see. Why is it only happening on the 85s? Now, I did find this coin in the hope that I would find this example, but you can see here, this is one I also found just today. You can see that dark ring even occurring on a coin that is relatively it hasn't been in circulation for that long, but you can still see those sort of dark lines around Australia there and around Elizabeth. So it's not like it's just happening. I don't understand it, but I'm purely just showing you that right now. So anyway, just thought I would bring that to your attention as well. See, it happens on the 85, not on the 84, but on the 85 you see those dark rings. Oh, here's one. So there's a Gold Coast coin, and 2018 Gold Coast Commonwealth Games coin. So that'll become a keeper as well. More dark rings on the 85 there. Yeah, let me know what you think. I have no idea what causes that, but it was interesting when I did see that on a newer style coin. And that is another 2015, but this one's got a leg. Alright, we'll keep this moving. Move all these aside. Oh, here's a nice lamination error. This one's actually a good one. Normally you see it with the straight line going across there. Actually, I got rid of that coin. That 1985 coin that we're looking at before had a line going across it. That's from the bank when they open up the plastic that sits around the rolls. Here's another keeper, 2015 Anzac low mintage. We're doing all right at the end here now. That line is from a Stanley knife, so it's not a die crack or anything like that. It just it's the bank staff cutting into the top of the coin when it's on the end of the roll, when they're just trimming off the plastic. Alright guys, I'm just going to pause. We'll line up the coins and be back in a moment. Alright, so that was roughly around 20 rolls that I went through to get this lot. So just to sum up, there's that rabbit here on the 2010, the 2015 missing leg. That was just that example coin of the 85. Two of the A coins from 2019. The nice Gold Coast coin. Did I say lamination? That's probably the find of the day, is that lamination. And the 2015 100 Years of Anzac. Alright guys, hope you've been able to enjoy this video and this hunt, and congratulations to the winner. I've forgotten your name, but anyway, it's at the start of the video. And please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you don't mind watching the ads, and we'll certainly be doing more giveaways soon. Alright guys, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll have another video for you tomorrow. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.